Alright, hey everybody. Got a Snap-on 100th anniversary tool haul today. Starting out with the 100th anniversary screwdriver in a sort of felt case. Regular ratcheting screwdriver with a embossed 100th anniversary logo on it and sort of an anodized end. Still reversible. And then over here we've got the number 7 old school style ratchet. And to get that ratchet, we purchased 3 hard handle orange ratchets. Here's your part numbers. 3/8 flex, 3/8 fixed, and a 1/4 inch fixed. Part number on it is THLD72. Not sure if that'll come up or not. Nice quality ratchet with a little card. And the ratchet itself is quite heavy. According to my dealer, you could use it as a regular ratchet if you wanted to. Teeth on it are fairly coarse. And to reverse it, push it out and put that in the other way. That's all for me for today, guys. Thanks for watching.